Alright, so for Constructivism, I made my story about a mountain mama, which is pretty close to my upbringing in the mountains. It's about a mom who raised her two children in a small cabin in the mountains and used that natural environment to capitalize on their learning. As the children got older, Sarah began to think about how they would learn and thrive in their home, and the best way she knew how to make this happen was through the meaningful context around them. For example, the ecosystems, wildlife, and climates that occur. The children quickly began to notice the things around them, including that communication is not just something that is for people, it's also used for animals and just the world around them. Sarah also quickly learned that the children picked up information on their own because she was able to discover their prior learning knowledge when she would go to teach them something new and they already knew it. Children just observe on their own and discover, and through this discovery process they learn very, very quickly. So they learned communication through like the little creatures that talk to each other in their world, and they also were able to use critical thinking skills in discovering the changes of the seasons around them and how they occur every year. Critical thinking really is just analyzing the facts around them and using them to come up with a solution for problem solving as well. Sarah works in collaboration with the environment that they live in, and collaboration typically is with another person or thing. However, here she uses the mountains and all that it has to offer, the natural world around them. And she teaches the kids critical problem-solving skills such as fishing in the winter when they need a new food source and how to preserve the food that they need for the whole family. The mountains were able to give them a learning environment that provided just such an active, engaging process, and this is why the mountain mama was able to teach her kids all that they needed to know. And looking back on things, Sarah's children were able to grow up in an opportunity of meaningful experiences.